I have a Faceless YouTube channel that makes me $20,000 every single month in passive income. So far in total, it has made me over $400,000. This channel alone has allowed me to quit my 9 to 5 and start working my own hours whenever and wherever I wanted. If I was starting again today from scratch, here's exactly what I would do. Firstly, getting started. Even just creating your channel gets you halfway there. Create a profile picture and an aesthetic banner that says what you do. This will be your branding. Next, we'll have to start making some videos. There are two paths you can take here. The first path, make them yourself with the help of AI tools, which can be very time consuming and may result in an early burnout. Or the second path, and my preferred method, getting a team together. You've probably heard of the standard Fiverr and Upwork combo, but I find Twitter to be a great place to start. Another winner is onlinejobs.ph. Your team will include a copywriter, a voiceover artist, a video editor, and a thumbnail designer. Once you've picked out your squad, get them together on Discord or Skype and start communicating with them. This is the part that will eventually replace your 9 to 5 if your channel does become successful. Communication with your team and delegating work. Now we'll need our first video title. Install vidIQ and get really good at finding out what's trending in your niche by using their keyword tool. Find trending topics in your niche, then come up with a video title to send to your copywriter. They will then write the entire script for you. Usually 1,000 words makes for a 5-minute video and 2,000 for a 10-minute one. Next, send that script to your voiceover artist. Once that's done, you will send both files over to your video editor who will start making the video for you. In the meantime, get your thumbnail artist to start coming up with concepts that you can use for your video. After a few days, you should have your first video ready to upload to YouTube. Next step, repeat this process 3 times. Just make 3 videos. It doesn't matter if they're good or not. Don't overthink it, as the fear will hold you back from getting started. Just take action and make 3 videos based on a topic you have interest in. Then analyze your results through your YouTube analytics. No matter the outcome, your first 3 videos on YouTube will give you many of the answers you're looking for, such as if you want to continue down this path or if you think you've chosen the wrong niche. For my first 3 videos, what I would do is use something called the skyscraper method. Find 3 videos that are already doing well in your niche and simply make a better version of them. Don't try and reinvent the wheel. Improving on existing popular content will fast track your channel's success. After 3 uploads, if YouTube is something you've decided to become serious about, then it's time to commit to making at least 1 to 3 videos a week. Focus on quality over quantity. With each new upload, upgrade every single skill that comes with making a video for YouTube. This can include your video ideas, titles and thumbnails, script writing, editing styles, or even storytelling. Whatever it may be, just make sure you keep leveling up your game with your team. A quote I love from Atomic Habits is the most powerful outcomes of any compounding process are delayed. You need to be patient. This means that if you improve by even 1% every day, you will see massive results in the long run. As you keep creating and uploading videos, you'll come to find out that YouTube is just a game. Understand how to play the game of YouTube and you will win. And when you do win, you'll win big. Beating the game comes down to 4 things: video ideas, click-through rate, watch time, and viewer satisfaction. You will passively learn how to win in each of these areas with every upload you make. For some creators, it takes them their first 5 videos. For others, it could take a few months, although you shouldn't be discouraged, because as of right now, there are smaller YouTubers that are exploding on YouTube after their first or even second upload, which I will touch more on in a sec. Just know that smaller channels are having their lives changed every day with the power of a single high-quality video. They've quickly figured out how to play and beat the game of YouTube. Find out what makes you unique and present that in a high-quality video. People always ask if YouTube is saturated, and the answer to that is a simple and very confident no. Standing out on YouTube comes down to finding something you have or that you can provide to an audience that others can't. Analyze the market and give your channel that competitive edge. This could include great storytelling, branding, a style of video editing, depth of research on particular topics, a sense of humor, relatability, diversity, and so much more. When you've got the ball rolling and the views are starting to trickle in, it's important to continue to learn and improve, whether through free resources right here on YouTube or by investing in courses and other education to grow your skills and knowledge. Just remember, it doesn't matter how many times your videos fail. Each upload will make you better at your craft. You only have to get it right once. 1 viral video will change your life. Here's the first video that went viral on my channel. 20 million views, uploaded 3 years ago, and makes me $20,000 every year in passive income. As I mentioned earlier, even smaller channels are making huge waves in the YouTube game. Click this video here where I will reveal some of these channels and exactly what they're doing that are making them explode.